Hello students, this is Justin sir, your English teacher. Today we are going to see the chapter number 2 of English, the tsunami. First, look at the map of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands given here. Here two images are there. On the upper image or upper map is the Andaman Island and the down is the Nicobar Island, but we call together Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It is archipelagus. Archipelagus means it is a collection of the small islands. Here the meaning of the archipelago is given a group of many islands and the surrounding by sea. See, some points are given here. Now Kachal is an island which is located in the Andaman and Nicobar. It is a part of Andaman group of islands. Now Nankauri is an island is in Nicobar group. Here is a story. Three stories are there related tsunami. In the first story, what is there? It is about the Ignatius. But before that, we see the some small introduction of this chapter, that the tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by the earthquake under the sea. Now, what is a tsunami? Here the definition is given. What is tsunami? The tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquake under the sea. When there is an earthquake occurs in under the sea, the tsunami is taken place. On the 20, the date is mentioned here where there was a tsunami in the India. On 26 December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and some parts of India. Which parts? Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the some part of Tamil Nadu coast. Now what is there? This part means the first part. What is there in first part? I will give some small introduction. What is there in first part? So this part gives us some important and inspiring incidents. These occur when the tsunami hit some parts of India. These stories are from Andaman and Nicobar Island. So what is there in first part? तो पहले पार्ट में क्या है? तो पहले पार्ट में हमें कुछ महत्वपूर्ण प्रेरक घटनाएं मिलती है, और ये वो घटनाएं हैं जो तब घटी जब सुनामी ने भारत के कुछ भागों को तबाह किया। और ये जो कहानियां हैं यहाँ पे जो ये कहानियां दी गई है वो अंडमान और निकोबार द्वीपों से संबंधित है। अब उसमें कुछ कैरेक्टर्स दिए गए हैं जिसमें इग्नेशियस है, संजीव है, मेघना है और उसके अलावा अल्मास है। ठीक है, ये सारे कैरेक्टर जो हमें फर्स्ट पार्ट में जिससे हम रूबरू हो गए। अब इग्नेशियस, who was Ignatius? So Ignatius was the manager of the cooperative society in Kachal. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake. Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. Then the family rushed out of the house. Now the first story is about Ignatius. His wife woke him up at the 6 a.m. sensing an earthquake. Ignatius put the television on the ground to save it from the quake. Then, as they felt that there will be an earthquake soon, they all rushed out of the house. अब यहाँ पे क्या है कि ये पहली कहानी जो है इग्नेशियस के बारे में है, जिनको भूचाल का एहसास होता है और उसकी पत्नी है उसको पहले भूचाल का एहसास होता है। तो उसकी पत्नी ने सुबह 6 बजे ये एहसास किया और भूचाल से बचाने के लिए वो सबको जगा देती है। और भूचाल से बचने के लिए इग्नेशियस क्या है कि उनके घर में जो टेलीविज़न है उसको ज़मीन पर रखा और फिर परिवार के सारे सदस्य के साथ वो बाहर भागे। When the tremor stops, tremors means the shocks, the earthquake shocks are there. When the tremors stop, they saw the sea rising. In the chaos and confusion, two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mothers and mother's father and mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. He never saw them again. His wife was also swept away. Only the three other children who came with him were saved. Now, what happened? When the tremor stops, tremors means here a slight shake, earth tremors, the earth shakes during the earthquake. When means जब धरती हिलने लगती है, इसको हम जब भूकंप का भूचाल का एहसास होता है तब धरती हिलने लगती है, उसको हम इंग्लिश में ट्रेमर्स बोलते हैं. Now what happened when the tremor stopped? Now they saw the sea rising, means the waves are coming towards them. Towards them means the high waves coming to them, and this caused them confusion. Now they are confused what to do, where to go. So they run, but in the opposite direction. His wife was swept away. Her two children, along with her father and brother, was also lost. Thus Ignatius lost his wife, two children, father-in-law and his brother-in-law in the सुनामी. अब यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि जैसे ही भूचाल के झटके बंद होते हैं तब वो देखते हैं कि समुद्र के पानी में उफान देखा, मतलब उफान चढ़ा है, मतलब उनकी जो लहरें है वो उफान पे है, और इससे वो भ्रमित हो जाते हैं, कंफ्यूज हो जाता है और वो दौड़ने लगते हैं. लेकिन वो क्या, वो बचाने के लिए नहीं, लेकिन वे क्या करते हैं कि विपरीत मतलब उल्टी दिशा में दौड़ने लगते हैं, और उसमें उसकी पत्नी जो है वो, उसकी मतलब किसकी, इग्निशियस की पत्नी जो है वो बह जाती है, और उसके दोनों बच्चे भी उस पत्नी के पिता और भाई के साथ बिछड़ जाते हैं. और इस प्रकार इग्निशियस ने अपनी सुनामी में, मतलब ये सुनामी में अपनी पत्नी, दो बच्चों, अपने ससुर और अपने साले को खो दिया. नाउ अब ये सब होता है, तब क्या होता है? संजीव वॉज अ पोलिसमैन हु वॉज सर्विंग देयर इन कचकली. नाउ अब संजीव, ये नया कैरेक्टर यहाँ इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहा है. सो संजीव वॉज अ पोलिसमैन सर्विंग इन अ कचल आइलैंड of the Nicobar group of islands. He somehow managed to save himself, his wife and his baby daughter from the waves. But then he heard cries from the help from the wife of John and the guest house cook. Sanjeev jumped into the water and rescued her, but they were both swept away. Now Sanjeev was the policeman who performed his duty in the Kachal Islands, which is in the Nicobar group. So Sanjeev was a policeman and he managed to save himself as well as his wife and his baby daughter. Then suddenly he heard the cries for help, means he heard the sounds from someone who wants help. These were from John's wife, and John's wife, the guest, the cook. Sanjeev jumped into the water to save her. They both were swept away from the drown. They both were jumped away from death. Now क्या होता है कि संजीव जो है वो पुलिस का एक सिपाही था और उसने स्वयं को, अपनी पत्नी और अपनी 3 पुत्रियों को बचा लिया. तभी वो उसको सहायता के लिए पुकारती चीखें सुनाई देती है. वो कौन थी? तो कौन वो चिल्ला रहा था? तो वो जॉन की पत्नी थी. जॉन के गेस्ट हाउस का रसोइया था, और उसको बचाने के लिए जॉन जो है वो पानी में कूद पड़ता है और उनको बचा लेता है. बट क्या होता है? बट दे वर बोथ स्वेप्ट अवे. लेकिन क्या होता है, वो भी वहाँ से बहे जाते हैं. अब 13-year-old मेघना was swept away along with her parents and her 77 other peoples. She spent 2 days floating in the sea, holding on the wooden door. 11 times she saw relief helicopters overhead, but they did not see her. She was brought to shore by a wave and was found walking at the seashore in days. Now, what is there? Meghna was 13-year-old girl. Now she was swept away along with her parents and 77 other peoples. मीन्स ये जो सुनामी आई, हाँ, ये सुनामी में मेघना जो है 13 साल की बच्ची वो बह गई, और उसके साथ दूसरे 77 लोग, मतलब 77 लोग भी उनके साथ बह गए. अब क्या होता है कि सी हेल्ड अ वुडन डोर एंड केप्ट फ्लोटिंग ऑन इट फॉर 2 days. अब वो क्या कि भाई तबाही आई तो तबाही में सब तहस नहस हो गया, तो उसमें उसको क्या मिलता है, एक टूटा हुआ, हाँ, द ब्रोकन डोर ऑफ द हाउस, एंड शी hold it and she and kept floating on it for 2 days. She was brought on the shore by a wave. She was not saved by the uh, disaster management department, but she was saved by a wave. Now, Almas Javed was 10 years old. She was a student of Carmel Convent in Port Blair, where her father had a petrol pump. Her mother Rahila's home was in Nancoway Islands. The family had gone there to celebrate Christmas. Now, here one tragedy was there, or one tragedy happened or created to the Almas. Now, what was the tragedy? When the tremors came and early in the morning, the family was sleeping. Alma's father saw the seawater recede. He understood that the water would come rushing back with the great force. He woke everyone up and tried to rush them to the safer place. So, Almas, who was a 10 years old boy, the family was sleeping, but her father had woken up. He saw that the water receding after the tremors. Tremors, what is the meaning of tremors? I told you. So he knew it would come back with the great force. He woke everyone, trying to rush to the safer place. Now, as they run, her grandfather was hit on the head by something and fell down. Her father rushed to help him. Then came the first giant wave and swept both them away. Now, what happened? As they run, his father fell down. Almas's father rushed to help him. Then a big wave came to them, and they swept them both away. Her mother and aunts were washed away too. They were swept away with the tree were holding on to. ना आलमात के पास क्या होता है कि आलमास जो है वो 10 वर्ष की एक बच्ची है। उसका परिवार जो था वो सो रहा था, उसके पिता जाग गए। भूकंप के झटकों के बाद वो देखते हैं कि उनको पानी जो है वो पीछे हट रहा है, लेकिन वो समझ गया कि ये जो पानी पीछे जा रहा है वो पीछे इसलिए जा रहा है कि वापिस वो बड़ी ताकत से आएगा, और उसने हर व्यक्ति को जगाया और अधिक सुरक्षित स्थान पर जाने के लिए प्रयत्न, उन सबको अधिक सुरक्षित स्थान पर पहुंचाने के लिए प्रयत्न करते रहे। और जब वे भाग रहे थे तब उसके पिता, मतलब कि इसके अल्मास के पिता जो है वो गिर गए, और अल्मास के पिता के जो पिता थे उनको कुछ लगने की वजह से वो गिर गए। अब अल्मास के पिता जो है वो उसके पिता की सहायता करने के लिए आगे बढ़ते हैं, लेकिन तभी वहाँ एक बड़ी सी लहर आती है और उन दोनों को बहाकर ले जाती है, और उसकी अल्मास की माँ बुआ भी बह जाती है, और वे पेड़ के साथ ही बह गई, जिसको पकड़कर वे खड़ी हुई थी। अब आगे क्या होता है? तो आगे है कि भाई अ लॉग ऑफ वुड, मतलब अल्मा सो अ लॉग ऑफ वुड फ्लोटिंग, शी क्लाइम ऑन टू इट, देन शी फेंटेड, व्हेन शी वोक अप शी वॉज इन हॉस्पिटल इन कमोरता, फ्रॉम देयर शी वॉज ब्रॉट to Port Blair. The little girl does not want to talk about the incident with anymore. She is still traumatized. Means Almas जो है, Almas saw a big log of wood means a big branch of wood floating in the water. She climbed on it and then she fainted. Fainted means वो बच उसके ऊपर चढ़ जाती है और तैरने लगती है, और उसके बाद वो बेहोश, fainted means बेहोश, unconscious. She became unconscious. When she woke up, she found herself in hospital of Comorta, and from there she brought back to the Port Blair. The girl does not want to talk about. After when she become conscious, she does not want to, or she did not want to talk about the incident which were happened to her. So अब यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि अल्मास जो है उसने एक लकड़ी के लट्ठे को बहता देखा, मतलब लकड़ी जो है उसके एक ब्रांच को बहता देखा, वो उस पर चढ़ जाती है, फिर वो वहाँ बेहोश हो जाती है। जब उसकी आँख खुलती है तब वो कमोरटा के अस्पताल में पाई जाती है और उसको फिर वहाँ से पोर्ट ब्लेयर लाया जाता है। देन जब वो होश में आती है तब वो किसी से भी वो इंसिडेंट जो हुआ है, ठीक है, जो इंसिडेंट मतलब जो सुनामी का इंसिडेंट हुआ है उसके बारे में किसी से बात करना चाहती नहीं है, क्योंकि वो दुखी है और वो बात करके और दुखी होना चाहती नहीं है। सी इज स्टिल इन ट्रॉमाइज, मतलब ट्रोमाटाइज, मतलब वो अभी भी क्या है, सदमे में है। तो ये दिस इज द पार्ट 1 ऑफ द चैप्टर। लास्ट टू next two parts we will see afterwards in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.